Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from Masagri Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of January 18 hanggang January 24 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ganun kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a Knight of Cups. There's a something, an offer proposal, and there's a something engagement, no? Some of you guys, no, magkakaroon ng higher level commitment. May wedding ako na nakikita dito. Additional messages, and this is the Four of Swords by intuitions. Na maraming tatakbo sa isipan mo dito, guys. Na maraming mga bagay na maaaring pumasok sa imaginations mo. There's something intuition and instinct. Additional messages. And this is something the Five of Swords. Just be aware, guys, ha, with some self-sabotage. Na magkakaroon ka self-sabotage dito. Kaya kailangan maging aware ka with your actions and movement. And this is something with the King of Pentacles, and this is something security. Maging secure ka with yourself, rather with your finances. No? Additional messages. And because this is a Three of Cups with the celebration. No? Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy ang celebration dito, guys. And there's the Sun card with your positive outcome. Now, magkakaroon ka ng magandang kalalabasan dito. There's something enlightenment, na maliliwanagan ka. At may mga bagay na parang lilitisin at lilinisin sa'yo. No? There's a purification na nasisense dito na unti-unti nang tutunawin, na wawaksiin at lilinisin, na alisin yung mga bagay na nagbibigay negative aura or negativity sa'yo. This is something the Knight of Cups represent what? There's a Knight of Cups with a judgment for a wake-up call na para pinapaalalahanan kayo dito, pay attention. Now, there's a something red flag. Oh, there's a something, pay attention. There's a something in offer for you. Just be aware, guys, ha? There's a something hidden intention. Kaya titignan mo lagi, no? Kailangan nyo kilalanin muna yung isa't isa. Hindi pwedeng, padalos-dalos. There's a Four of Swords. Represent what? There's a High Priestess. So, this is something hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, may mga bagay o misteryo sa likod nito na maaaring hindi ka pa lubos na nauunawaan. Kilalanin mo mamaya may asawa. Kilalanin mo mamaya may jowa. Kilalanin mo baka, diba, may something, a complication sa likod niyan. This is the Five of Swords. Represent what? There's the Moon card with the truth reveal. Maliliwanag at malalaman mo na mali ang magiging actions or movement mo dito. Kaya kailangan kilalanin, alamin mo. Kasi there's a self-sabotage here. And there's a truth reveal. Malalaman mo, mawiwindang ka at matutuklasan mo ang katotohanan. There's the King of Pentacles. Represent what? So this is a Two of Pentacles. So there's a something balance. So kailangan mo maging balance, guys, no? Pagdating sa finances, maging secure ka, hindi pwede padalos-dalos sa paggastos. At maging wais, umiwas ka sa mga luho. What is the Three of Cups? Represent what? So this is a King of Wands, something ambition. Unti-unti mo makikita yung mga possibilities and of course, a good blessing coming in for you. Now, there's something a victory, guys, no? Coming in for you, na maaaring magtuloy-tuloy talaga ito magandang eksena for you. What is the Sun card? Represent what? And there's the Seven of Cups. May opportunities. Marami opportunities na darating dito. May mga bagay lang talaga na unti-unti ka maliliwanagan at matatauhan. What is the Knight of Cups that requires judgment? Represent with the Three of Pentacles, with the communications, with the socialize, no? And of course, there's a something teamwork. Kailangan kilalanin mo siya. There's a something red flag kasi, Now, there's a something information na kailangan mo mag-pay attention. Na kumbaga may babala, may paalala. O, itong offer na to kailangan alamin mo muna. Getting to know each other. Getting more information. No? Let's see what is the Four of Swords and of course the High Priestess. So, there's a something information with the Eight of Wands. So, this is something fast communication, fast movement, Bibilis ang takbo ng eksena to, and there's a messages coming for you. May message ka matatanggap. May phone call ka matatanggap, and even an email. No? What is something the Five of Swords is the Moon card? And there's a tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago ito magaganap sa buhay mo. Na kaya kailangan alamin mo. Dahil itong bagay na ito maaaring isang daan para masira ang eksena mo. Kaya kailangan alamin mo muna kasi itong bagay na ito malalantad sa'yo. Bago pa mangyari, malalantad na to. Pero kasi ang magaganap dito, kumaga mawawala ka ng pakialam or parang madededmahin mo. Kaya kailangan mag-pay attention ka kung ayaw mo magsisi sa huli. What is the King of Pentacles? Because that's Two of Pentacles. Represent what? So this is something, the Seven of Swords, there's a cheating lying on you. See, I told you, there's something hidden and secret na maaaring ma-reveal. What is the Three of Cups? Because the King of Wands. Reference with the Hangman. No, there's something delays and cancellations. Talaga magaganap to with the cancellations talaga, guys, no? There's a new perspective. Baguhin mo yung eksena mo at may mga pananaw at paniniwala ka dito na maaaring mabago. Let's see what is the Sun card because the Seven of Cups. Hindi lahat ng mga pinapakita ay totoo. No, may tinatawag tayo matatalilahagan sa salita. And of course, this is something, an information with the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely. No, mabagal man ang proseso at mabagal man ang eksena na to. Maaaring sinasabi dito na maaaring magtatagumpay ka, kailangan mong kumalma. No, hindi ka pwedeng agresibo. Kalmado, yes sir, madam. Ganon, hindi ka pwedeng pala desisyon. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome for you is something the Four of Wands, a celebration, a twin flame energy. Now, there's a soulmate connections. A wedding coming in for you. May wedding pa rin na magaganap. And there's a star ka na magdadala sa'yo ng recovery, healing, and wish fulfillment. So, maaaring matutupad na yung mangarap mo na ikasal. No, maaaring magkaroon ng, kumbaga, for long term, for long run, gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka ng recovery, sa sunod-sunod na blessings. Now, there's a something star na maaaring there's a wish fulfillment. Talagang pangarap mo. And this is a Page of Pentacles for investment. See? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng for long term talaga. Financial security. And of course, there's something for long term. Na everlasting promises. Additional messages tayo with, about naman tayo sa finances and career. And there's an Empress card for a revert. This is something na parang ibabalik yung katawan lupa mo dito. There's something a new beginning and fresh start. And this is a new job and new home. And because this is something a new job, new business ventures. And this is a Six of Pentacles for a support and giving, receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances for you. It's a good part, guys, ha? Unti-unti nang dadaloy at unti-unti nang gaganda ang iyong pagkakaperahan. It's good. What is additional messages with an English spirit? And there's a lovers connected with your love life. Pasabag. It's all about partnership. So let's see. What is additional messages pagdating sa love life? And there's a Ace of Swords na breakthrough. Ay, magtatagumpay ka. Masusungkit mo yung corona at maaari matagpuan mo kung sino talagang para sa'yo with the Devil card. Mag-ingat ka lang, no? Kumbaga, may taong aagaw, may taong sisingit, no? There's a Devil card. Maaaring magkaroon ng reflection and third party involved with the Three of Swords. I told you, this is a third party with the Three of Cups. Mag-ingat ka lang kasi pilit tong aagawin sa'yo. Itong eksena na to, itong tao na to, kaya kailangan maging aware ka. Ano magiging possible outcome nito in case na maganda na eksena? Ano yung magiging kailangan niyang gawin? Let's see. And this is a chart we didn't take an action. Kailangan mong kumilos, guys. Kailangan mong protection at pangalagaan. And this is the Ace of Wands for a new spark and new project. Alam niyo, guys, no? Etong eksena na to, maaaring mapikot tong partner mo, ha? May nasense ako na pikot, na maaaring, kumbaga, ano yun siya? It's either hypnotized or gayuma, no? Let's see what is additional messages. Hindi nawawala sa Aries yung ganong, scenario. Let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa health. Ibig sabihin, guys, kaya napapasok pa rin sa reading yung ganong eksena, hindi na susolusyonan ng tao na to. No? Lagi ko nasasagap yung energy niya, but hindi siya nagtitake ng action. So, let's see. And there's a Ten of Cups with the happiness. Magiging masaya ka dito, guys, no? And there's the Eight of Pentacles with something work, no? Magiging masaya ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. And of course, magiging masaya din ang iyong kalusugan. Magiging maganda rin ang kalusugan mo daw dito, guys. And of course, mag-ingat ka lang, ha? Nag-overpatig ka daw. Masyado kang, workaholic. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? And this is something past luck, suffering, May nagsasuffer dito about sa nakaraan. Oh, may mga nakaraan dito na hindi mo makakalimutan. And there's a healing with the inner childs, no? May nangyari sa'yo from the past with your inner child. Naman, maaaring nung pagkabata mo, broken family ka, na parang ayaw mo maulit tong ganong scenario, and this is something, a release, na makakalaya ka and surrender with the divine. Diba? Makakalaya ka at unti-unti nang hihilumin yung mga nangyari sa'yo sa nakaraan at hindi na mauulit yon. Now, there's no second time around. So let's see, what is a magical fairy messages represent what? And there is something walking away. At unti-unti ka na makakaalis sa situation, guys. And this is something practice. So, enhance your ability and polish your skills, no? More on, kumbaga, more on, ka dito, practice, no? This is something walking away for leave the unhealthy situation behind. So, kailangan mo makawala sa hindi maganda situation. Additional messages with an angel spirit. With an angel spirit, with the synchronicities, let's see. And there's an intuition. There's a partnership, guys. Now, may partnership dito na lalaman. There's something information with that. And because this is something, there's something partnership. And there's a higher level commitment talaga ako nasisense. And this is something, a planting seed. So, ibig sabihin kung ano yung tinanim mo, siya kaanihin mo. No, kung gano'ng pag-aalaga mo, ganun din yung mga ibubunga nito. No, gaganda at lalago siya. What is the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's a compromise. May pinangako, may pinagkasunduan. There's a something divine intervention. Oh my God! Meron talaga akong nakikita with a reflection dito. Mag-ingat ka, guys, with the third party. Meron talagang dito, may pinangako, pero mapapako dahil dito sa isang eksena na may gagawin sa partner mo. Mag-ingat ka. What is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? And because this is something, pay attention, guys, ha? Dahil kita mo to, sa unang baraha pa lang, parang may nakita ko with the Nine of Cups, with an offer with the heart. Ibig sabihin nito, guys, mayroong gayuma na maaring budulin yung person mo, ha? Or either you. Na mag-ingat po kayo, guys, na tumanggap na mga kahit anong pagkain na galing sa ibang tao. And there's your inner guidance is really trustworthy. So, sige mga gabay ba, mapagkakatiwalaan naman daw. And a favorable outcome. Papabor din sa yung kalalabasan ng eksena na to. What is the Romance Angels represent what? With the Romance Angels represent, and there is a give your relationship a chance. So sa pag-ibig, sa pagmamahal, bigyan mo ng chance ang eksena na to. And there is a finances and career. Now, konektado ang finances and career for you. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a music. Makakatulong daw ang music sa'yo for healing energy. And there's a something career change na magbabago rin yung career mo dito, guys. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a Portia ka Archangel Raphael for healing and recovery, of course. And there's a happy family, guys, na magiging masaya yung pamilya mo. And there's a contract. Ito yung sinasabi ko, may kontrata or something, a marriage contract, a legal matters, guys. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's an activated earth. There's a power places. So may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo. At ilalagay ka ng ating Panginoon kung saan ka talaga nakalagay at kung ano yung kalalagyan mo. And this is something with the haters with a deep love. Napakalalim ng pagmamahal na to. And there's a perspective. Nabaguhin mo lang yung perspective mo. Yung mindset. Now, what is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a success. It's coming in for you. There's a success is waving. And there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. Ay, you cannot change it. No? Hindi mo na mababago tong eksena na to, kaya kailangan mo tanggapin. At matuto. What is the Monsology? Represent what? A personal issue reaches resolution. Kumbaga, masusolusyonan yung mga problema mo. And of course, have faith in your dreams. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa mga pangarap mo. And of course, you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para matupad yung mga pangarap mo, guys. Diba? What is additional messages for the chakra? And there's a destiny. I told you, diba? It's all about recovery and destiny is yours. Diba? Kumbaga talaga nakalaan talaga yung para sa'yo. And there's an abundance. Kasaganahan talaga yung nakalaan para sa'yo, guys, madam, sir. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Hindi talaga nawawala sa yung gayuma, guys. No, may gayuma talaga na sumisingit dito. And there is something true. Oh, truth reveal. Talagang malalaman mo kung anong katotohanan. And there's a enlightened, maliliwanagan ka with the truth revealed, enlightenment. And there's an environment na sa paligid lang daw. And there's an inner truth. Malalaman mo ang hidden agenda niya. No, nagbibigay talaga ng pagkain to some of nowhere, guys. Katrabaho to or either kasama to ng partner mo. What is Arcang Herapael? Messages or kapitbahay nyo? And use your natural healing abilities, no? Kung gamitin mo ng natural healing abilities, so ibig sabihin it's all about spiritual. Let's see what is the angel's answer, represent what? Within the next few weeks, sa mga susunod na linggo. One more card, please. And this is something reconsider. Kailan mo i-consider, ha, yung binibigay na angel's number, angel signs, and synchronicities ng ating angel spirit. And this is something you ready. Maganda ka. Diba? Dahil bubulabugin ka na. For Jesus' loving quote said, knock and shall be open to you. So, kumakatok na ating Panginoon. There's a surprises. And this is something, whatsoever you shall ask, the Father remaining, He will give it to you. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na inilalapit mo sa Kanya, ano man yung mga bagay na pinagdarasan mo, maaaring ipagkaloob niya sa'yo ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Represent what? Angel's number, represent what? Represent with the 333 for support. Diba sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit? And seeing is the number, angel's number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skill and discover your talent, and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonder for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. Diba sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit na you need to pay attention kung ano man yung mga mensahe at gabay na binibigay niya sa'yo. No? Ikaw yung gagawa ng eksena dahil alam niya sa sarili mo at alam ng ating Panginoon na kaya mo. Diba? What is the messages of life? Represent what? And there is a God sustain me. Sinasabi dito, as I turn each day to over to God, my worries is my resistance, softness. In the arms of God and God's love, I find inner peace, even a challenging time. Today, my faith provides me with a great strength. I welcome all that comes my way, knowing that the love of God sustain me. Alam mo sa sarili mo na lahat ng mga nangyayari ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. No? Bukas puso at isip mong inaalay sa Kanya lahat ng mga bagay posibilidad na magaganap sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo lahat ng mga bagay, mensahe sa ng ating angel spirit ay ayon lang sa makakabuti sa iyo. Kaya kailangan mag-pay attention ka. May babala at paalala na kailangan mong kumilos at gumawa. So guys, this is a special gamay for the month of January 18 hanggang January 24 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. At comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos of the maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sa pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo. Ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!